Exploring entry-level careers in AI.
Artificial intelligence is one of the fastest-growing fields today. As a newcomer, it's important to understand which roles are accessible to those starting out, and what qualifications and skills are needed. This overview introduces 5 popular entry-level jobs in AI, and offers guidance on how you can become a competitive candidate for each.
1. Data Analyst.
Data analysts help organizations make sense of data. In AI, they collect, clean, and interpret datasets, laying the foundation for machine learning. Key qualifications include proficiency in tools like Excel, SQL, and Python, as well as basic statistics knowledge. A degree in mathematics, computer science, or a related field is helpful, but strong analytical skills and a portfolio of relevant projects can also open doors.
2. Machine Learning Engineer, Junior Level.
Junior machine learning engineers build and test simple models. They work with supervised learning algorithms, data pipelines, and basic neural networks. To qualify, you need familiarity with Python, libraries like scikit-learn or TensorFlow, and understanding of fundamental algorithms. Most roles require a bachelor's degree in a STEM field or equivalent coursework. Online courses and personal projects often help candidates stand out.
3. AI Software Developer.
AI software developers create applications powered by AI models. They write code that connects machine learning models to real-world uses, such as chatbots or recommendation systems. Required skills include programming in Python, Java, or C++, understanding of APIs, and knowledge of software development practices. A relevant degree or certification paired with a GitHub portfolio can boost your chances.
4. Research Assistant in AI.
Research assistants support academic or industry AI projects. Their duties often include gathering data, running experiments, and keeping up with the latest literature. Most positions require a bachelor's degree in computer science or a related field, plus solid programming and data management skills. Demonstrating curiosity and experience with academic projects or internships will strengthen your application.
5. AI Product Tester or QA Specialist.
AI product testers ensure AI applications function as intended. They design and conduct tests, report bugs, and help developers refine products. Entry-level roles focus on attention to detail and analytical ability. Technical skills like basic programming and understanding of software development cycles are a plus. Many employers look for relevant coursework, certifications, or prior internships.
Launch your AI career journey.
Starting in AI doesn't require years of experience, just passion and preparation. Focus on building your technical foundation, showcasing real-world projects, and continually learning. Entry-level roles like data analyst, junior machine learning engineer, AI developer, research assistant, and QA specialist provide valuable starting points. With the right skills and determination, you can unlock exciting opportunities in the field of artificial intelligence.